Hello everybody and welcome to our channel Salsa Moves. I'm Alexandros, with me is Andrea. We're from the Island of Cyprus and today we're not going to do an advanced move. Yes, we're going to do an improver move. An improver is the right over the beginner level and under the intermediate. So that means you already know your crossbody leads, crossbody lead with a turn, how to do a few basic handworks and throws, and then we can put that in. We're going to dance it with a little bit faster music, but don't let that scare you. We're going to be teaching it. And if you like the lesson, I'm going to have a link right here and in the description. One last thing. If you like to find more improver moves in our channel, go to our channel, click on videos, and then there's a small search bar, not the YouTube search bar, the small one in my channel, and put the word improver. You will find many, many moves like this ones. Let's go to music.